Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the another fiber that is called a banana fiber. This is also from the plant origin, right? So as the name indicates, you can see into the picture how the banana trees are there planted into the land, into their garden, and from there the how the kind of fiber we are getting here in the down image it has given, and from those fibers we can make the different types of doormats and other articles. So let us discuss what are the different properties and other features of this plant fiber. So when we talk about banana fiber, banana plant or the plantain plant not only gives the delicious fruit, that banana fruit it is very famous, right? But it is also provides the textile fibers which we can use in textile industry for textile purpose. The banana fibers is the natural fiber. Of course it is obtained from natural source or from plant. That's what it is, natural fiber. Natural fibers present important advantages such as low density, appropriate stiffness that is required for be ideal fiber, and the mechanical properties and high disposability, and also the renewability, right? It can renew whenever required. Moreover, they are recyclable and biodegradable. That's what renewability means, recyclable. It can be recycled and also biodegradable. It can be decomposed by the microorganisms in environment. So you can say it is eco-friendly. There has been lot of research on use of natural fibers in reinforcements. Banana fibers, a lignocellulosic fiber obtained from the pseudostem of banana plant, that is the plant name is Musa spongium, right, is a bast fiber with relatively good mechanical properties. Banana plant is a large perennial herb with leaf sheaths that form pseudostem. Its height can be 40 to 50, 10 to 40 feet, and if you see into the meter, 3.0 to 12.2 meters around, right? And the surrounding with the 8 to 12 large leaves, right? That much, right? You can say, and the leaves are up to 9 feet long and 2 feet wide, 2.7 meter if you see into the meter, right? Banana plant is available throughout Thailand, Southern Asia, even India, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Hawaii, and some Pacific islands, because this is the very famous fruit in India also, right? And these are the geographical source of the banana plant. Characteristic of banana fibers, when we see the appearance of banana fiber is similar to that of bamboo fibers and rime fibers, but it's the fineness and spinability is better than these two. The chemical composition of banana fiber is cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. Right. So cellulose is very common, which we are seeing into the almost all the fibers. Without cellulose, we can't consider. Right. Even we could see in the cotton 94 to 96% of cellulose it was there. So so cellulose compulsory. If it is there, it's going to be the good ideal fibers. It is highly strong fiber. Banana fiber is highly strong fiber and has a smaller elongation. It has somewhat sheeny appearance depending upon the extraction and spinning process, how we are doing these two. According to that, it is going to have the shiny appearance or the somewhat good appearance, we can say. It is a lightweight. It has a strong moisture absorption quality, right? It can absorb the moisture strongly, and it absorb as well as the release moisture very fast. That is also very property, right, of the banana. It can either it can really absorb the moisture also, and it can release the very fast also. It is biodegradable and has no negative effect on environment. That's what I told you, eco-friendly, right? And thus can be categorized as a eco-friendly fiber. Its average fineness is 2400 nm, and it can be spun through almost all the methods of spinning, including ring spinning, open end spinning, best fiber, spinning and semi-washed spinning among others. Wow, the different properties of the banana fibers like tenacity, it is 29.98 gram per dinar. Then fineness 17.15, moisture regain 13%, elongation 6.54, then alcoben extractive value 1.70%, total cellulose 81.80%, alpha cellulose 61.50%, residual gum 41.90%, lignin is going to have 15%. So these are the features or the content it is going to be have into the fibers or banana plant. Property of banana fiber, when we talk, the banana fiber is similar to that the bamboo fiber, but the fineness and spiny ability is better than these two. The chemical composition of banana fiber is cellulose, hemicellulose and lignin. It is highly strong fiber and smaller elongation. And this we have discussed the method of preparation. Required materials for banana fiber, first of all it is required resin like polyester, it can be used many, right? Then hardener, a one type of hardener like you can use a methyl ethyl ketone peroxide or many others which is available as a hardener, that also you can use. Then filler means silicone powder can be used, and releasing agent can be used. Then steps, what are the steps you can do? The banana fiber is obtained from banana plant, yes. The extracted banana fiber firstly sun dried, we have to dry into the sunlight and then dried in oven to remove the moisture content present into the fiber, right? Sufficient moisture content supposed to be removed. The banana fiber is different length is mixed with the matrix mixture with their respective values by simple mechanical stirring. Matrix mixer will be there, right? In that we can mix and the mixer are slowly poured in different molds, right? So releasing agent is used on mold sheets, right? Which gives easy to removal of the composite from the molds. And after pouring into the molds, it is heated to 30 degrees centigrade for approximately 24 hours, right? Remember this heating is very important for because it is 24 hour, then only the constant load is applied onto the mold, and after curing is done, the specimen is taken out from the molds and that can be considered as a. So composition of the material, that's resin 60%, hardener 10% and filler 30%. If you are making them together, it will be good for the process. How what the obtained fiber, how we can use the to make the currencies like nowadays 2000 notes it is launched, 100 rupees note it is launched. So those notes or currencies of the different right country that can be prepared from these bond papers like 75 gsk, 85 gsk, different bond papers are available for letterhead and for your project purpose, that is also manufactured by the banana fibers. And specialty papers which can last for the 100 years, like currency like paper, it has to go on, right? Because it is not easily replaceable once it will be launched into the market or into the public domain. So that's what the lifetime of the paper should be more, as a very good replacement of wood pulp in paper industry, as it has a high cellulose content, thus reducing the environmental impact of deforestation. That is the another thing. In making composite material as a replacement for fiberglass, also it can be used. For manufacturing mattresses, pillow, and cushions into the furniture industry, this fiber is very ideal. In handicraft also it is having major role extensively for making the bags, purses, mobile phone cover, right? Nowadays also you are using different types of mobile phone cover, so that is from the there. Doormats, then curtains, yoga mats, these also can be prepared from the banana fiber, that is very ideal. In the, manufacturing of textiles also, and research is underway to find out the other use of this fiber, right? And when we talk about applications of the banana fiber in recent past, banana fiber had very limited application and was primarily used for making items like ropes, mats, and some other composite materials. With the increasing environmental awareness and the growing importance of eco-friendly fabrics, banana fiber has also been recognized for all its good qualities, and now its application is increasing in other fields too, such as apparel, garments, and home furnishings. However, in Japan, it is being used for making traditional dresses like kimono and kamisimo since the Edo period, like 16th century to 1868. Due to its being lightweight and comfortable to wear, it is still preferred by people there as a summer wear. Right? If you go to different island or different island country, you are going to get the different cloths available there from the fibers type fabric like. So banana fiber is also used to make fine cushion cover, then natties, bags, tablecloths, curtains, etc. Rugs made from the banana silk yarn fiber are also very popular world over or all over the world. Thank you.